Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to be modeling this object. I saw on internet, on Pinterest, and I was thinking how to model it, and I made a video for you. On the top plane, firstly we open a sketch, and here we place an arc. By clicking 3-point while our control button is pressed, we give here a vertical relationship, and the radius value is 50. And after this operation, we make a 50 mm offset on coding top plane, and here creating a sketch. After we place here 1 point and point sketch, we create a lot. And after this operation, we go top plane and creating here 1 line. Here's here 10 degree. And after this operation, trim, we remove this part. And now we have a section like this. And we open a new plane by clicking 3-point. And now here a sketch. Normal tool. First we make inwards 0.5 offset. You can set this unnecessary part. And now I'm going to create here some circles. Let's make 5 offset, and then 2, and then 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. We will continue. After we regulate everything, here also 2, also 5, 2, 5. Let's little bit clean the area first. And after we delete 2 ones, and here placing a construction geometry. Here also deleting this one, and creating a construction geometry. Little bit boring operation, I think. Yes. Now this all to is gone. We will make that middle lines equal. Also with this one will be equal. And now here there is a 8.11. I think we should create here one more because this gap is so big. Yes. We make 1, 2 again, and then 1, 5. 5s are staying, the 2s are going, and because we will copy this model, I wanna have sorry, this one. This we can send this one. This one. This can be a construction geometry. Now these two in the beginning will be same, I mean equal, and then the black ones, the between will be only like around 2. We made also equal, and as you see now everything is fully defined. It's black. If you are done with this, and you make split line. And now we remove these cuts. From origin to top plane, we will make an axis where we can make our circular pattern. Bodies are these, this axis, this body, and 118 between 10 degree, 18 time we will have 180 copy. Now there is a nice thing that I would like to show you here. Mostly when I'm making knitting surface, merge entities. What is this merge entities? I'm trying to explain, but mostly I don't have an example. When I select everything, when I say merge entities, program going to knit for me everything, and these lines will be gone. Merge entities works for this matter. And we make a mirror. And after we make again one mirror, I think our mirror axis have some problem. Planes are not matching good. Then what we can do, creating our own plane to make a mirror. We made mirror. Okay, good. This origin to this new plane, we create an axis where we will rotate this new group, and we go move, copy. Rotation axis will be this one, 90 degree, by the way. And then model is done. Last operations, knitting. After this operation, we can make thicken like 1 millimeter, let's say, inwards, thicken operation. It can take some time on my slow computer. Sorry for that. But it is a nice object and I really enjoyed to model it. I hope also you learn something new on this video. If you like my video, please make comment and subscribe my channel. Your supports are important. Thanks a lot for watching.